Get ready to put some siding on, perhaps? Who knows? I think they're way behind where they're supposed to be. So we're pretty much at the For Love of God Stop Raining section of the program. God, the lake is just, it's full. And all the lakes are full, and all the rivers are full, and there are towns that are just getting wiped out. Major roads just getting washed out. Town I went through the other day on my ride around the lake, yesterday got 5 inches of rain in an hour and a half. Yes, there was some flooding involved. Several sections of road caved in. There's no humor left in the situation whatsoever. It's like we have a choice. It's either going to be hotter than hell or it's going to be raining like hell. Pick your poison. Today it didn't rain, but I had a couple errands to run, and by the time I got done it was, you know, most people laugh, but 86 and humid. Yeah, and I don't know, just, it was, actually it was 89 and humid, whatever, it was hot and humid, and I just didn't feel like dealing with that, so I stayed around the house and did useless crap all day. Now, good excuse for an evening ride. I see I'm not the only one partaking in said adventure. You look, and hazy, that's actually smoke from the Canadian wildfires. Yeah. Just a crazy summer. I really want to take my little camper out on a trip, and it looks like there might be a couple days available to me next week, but yeah, God, you can smell the smoke. But I'm trying to get over to the camping cruise going to Maine for 10 days, and I'm trying to get over there for 3 or 4, and my sister blows into town, and I should probably just freaking do it, but we'll see, we'll see. So far, looking at the long range, they go in on the 28th, and the first 4 days that they're there, it's thunderstorms and bullshit. Just a nasty summer. Well, it feels good here in the shade. It's one of those little pockets where there's enough cover up above and the angle of the sun just never gets here directly. So it stays nice and cool. Hey, yeah, please, for the love of God, stop raining. They're saying the state's averaged over an inch a day for the entire month of July so far. Today being, let me do the math, the 17th. So 17 inches of rain. That's oftentimes what we get for the whole frickin' summer. I'm talking May through August. Clean my visor. Hard staring through bug guts. Yeah, so I just had to get out and do a quick little ride about. Supposed to have rain tomorrow afternoon. Surprise, surprise. But anyways, enough of my whining about something I have absolutely no control over whatsoever, except for the way I respond to it. Get it off my chest. I'll stop in and get some Chinese food one of these days. See Mr. Liwa. Yeah. Turn up some music and enjoy the rest of my little ride. Just a little one. Yep, there's some deer.